Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the incredible world of surfing and exploring exactly what happens to your body and mind when you catch those waves. Let me guide you through this fascinating journey of transformation that occurs when you embrace the surfing lifestyle. When you first step into the ocean with your surfboard, your body begins a remarkable series of adaptations. Let's explore these changes in detail. Physical transformations. Cardiovascular system. Heart strength increases. Blood circulation improves. Oxygen utilization enhances. Endurance builds naturally. Stamina levels soar. Muscular development. Core strength intensifies. Upper body power increases. Leg muscles strengthen. Balance muscles activate. Overall tone improves. Coordination and balance. Neural pathways strengthen. Proprioception enhances. Reaction time improves. Body awareness increases. Movement patterns refine. Mental health benefits. Stress reduction. Cortisol levels decrease. Anxiety diminishes. Mental clarity improves. Focus sharpens. Mood elevates. Mindfulness development. Present moment awareness increases. Mental resilience builds. Emotional balance improves. Stress management enhances. Mental fortitude strengthens. Environmental connection. Nature appreciation grows. Ocean awareness develops. Environmental consciousness increases. Natural rhythm understanding improves. Weather pattern recognition develops. Physical health improvements. Vitamin D benefits. Bone health improves. Immune system strengthens. Mood regulation enhances. Sleep quality improves. Overall health optimizes. Sleep quality. Natural sleep patterns develop. Recovery improves. Energy levels increase. Mental freshness enhances. Physical restoration optimizes. The learning process. Initial phase. Basic water safety understanding. Paddling technique development. Pop-up movement learning. Wave reading begins. Balance foundation builds. Intermediate development. Wave selection improves. Turning techniques develop. Speed control enhances. Style begins forming. Confidence grows. Advanced progression. Advanced maneuvers emerge. Wave reading mastery develops. Personal style refines. Technical understanding deepens. Flow state experiences increase. Social benefits. Community connection. Friendships form. Support networks develop. Knowledge sharing occurs. Cultural understanding grows. Social bonds strengthen. Personal growth. Confidence building. Self-trust develops. Fear management improves. Decision-making enhances. Personal boundaries understand. Risk assessment improves. Environmental impact. Ocean awareness. Marine life understanding grows. Environmental protection awareness increases. Weather pattern knowledge develops. Tide understanding improves. Ecosystem appreciation deepens. Safety considerations. Ocean safety. Current awareness develops. Weather reading improves. Risk assessment capabilities grow. Emergency response knowledge increases. Safety protocol understanding deepens. Equipment care. Board maintenance. Equipment understanding grows. Repair skills develop. Material knowledge increases. Care routine establishes. Investment protection improves. Thank you for joining me in exploring the transformative effects of surfing. Whether you're just starting or you're an experienced surfer, understanding these processes can help you maximize the benefits of this incredible sport. Remember, surfing isn't just a sport. It's a lifestyle that transforms both body and mind. Embrace the waves, respect the ocean, and watch as your entire being evolves through this remarkable activity. Keep surfing, stay safe, and enjoy the countless benefits that this amazing sport brings to your life. Your dedication will be rewarded with improved fitness, mental clarity, and a deeper connection to nature.